Hi everyone, just delay. So today here I'm teaching numbers. Okay, I will teach today number 1 to 20 in Tibetan. So first one, 0. Okay, in Tibetan we say lekor, lekor, lekor. And then number 1, tik, chik. Number 2, ni, ni. Number 3, sum, sum. Number 4, she, she. Number 5, here, number 5, nga, nga. Okay, number 6, tuk, tuk. Number 7, dun, dun. Number 8, ge, ge. Number 9, gu, gu. And number 10, chu, chu. Okay, and then number 11, once you know till number 10, and then you have to 8, 10 and 1, 10 and 2, like this, okay? For example, here, number 11, chu, tik, chu, number 10, and chik, 1. So, chu, chik. And then number 12, chu, ni, chu, ni. Number 13, chu, sum, chu, sum, chu, sum. And then number 14, chu, shi, chu, shi, chu, shi, chu, shi. Okay, and then number 15, 15 have a different sound. I mean, not a chu, it's a narrow sound, okay? Chonga, chonga, like this. And then 16, chu, tu, chu, tu, chu, tu. Okay, 17, chu, dun, chu, dun, chu, dun, chu, dun. Okay, and then number 18, 18 and number 15 have a narrow sound, okay? Jo, ge, jo, ge, jo, ge. And 19, ju, gu, ju, gu, ju, gu. And then 20, okay? Ni, shu, ni, shu. Okay, and thank you for watching and see you in next video.